Alright, what's going on, guys? So today's video, I'm filming a mod that I have always wanted to do. Always wanted an F-150, and I always wanted to get these particular steps for it, because I still need steps. I've got an 11-year-old, a 3-year-old, my wife, and I like the steps anyways, because it prevents me from sliding in and out on the bolster of the seat and stuff. So anyways, I knew I wanted to get this modification, and kind of heavy. And they finally showed up today, so shouldn't say finally, it was actually pretty quick shipping. We'll check these out. Dang, these things are packaged really well. So yeah, like I said, I found these on eBay, and these things are packaged probably better than anything I've gotten in a long time. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause this and restart because they're wrapped in plastic too. Alright guys, so this is what they are. They are a set of factory Raptor takeoff steps. They're used, but they're like brand new. So they were taken off whatever year Raptor, I wouldn't know obviously, but these will fit any, I believe they said 15, 18, or I'm sorry, 20 or 21 crew cab. That other box over there is brackets, so I think I can probably use the brackets I have on there now, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna pull those brackets out and compare them to what I have, and then we'll start zipping these on. All right guys, so these are the brackets that came with the Raptor steps. They are identical to what's on the truck, so that's gonna save me a little bit of time. I just have to undo, I think they're 10mm bolts on the bottom of the steps. Put these on and zip them down. So let's get to work. So one thing I did notice, the Raptor steps are way heavier. They're like a stamped steel, I believe. So, I don't know if you can see on video, I would suggest cleaning these off, so I'm gonna go grab something to do that. Yeah, these feel like they're twice as heavy as the other ones. They're nice and tight to the body. Okay, let's see here. And they do have more holes to tighten them down. Don't understand that, but whatever. I believe these are darn near the same steps as what comes on the trimmers too. See, I'm glad I didn't tighten them down, because these only have 2 screws in each step, just like the other ones. So we'll back 2 of these out. And like I said, 10 mil. Zip them on down there. All right, guys. That's one Raptor step installed. They look awesome. I like how slim they are. They've got a nice coating on them. They look a little more, I don't know, sporty, a little more off-road look compared to the old grandpa steps, which these will be for sale if you're local to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip down the other side. I'll probably speed up the video since you just saw the whole process on this side. So I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so I'll show you a closer look at what came off here. Those are the factory pawpaw steps, which are fine. They're black, they look good, but these just look so much better. They're nice, and you can see like how much slimmer they are. Very low profile, reasonably close to the body. So I think they look awesome. So I'll show you something underneath here. Sorry, I'm trying not to move you guys around too much. There's what your factory steps mount to. So you can see down there, right there, those are already sticking out. Hi, baby. Hi. So yeah, I told you the guys the other day, this is one take. Now my dog shows up. She should be out back. But anyways, they've got studs sticking out of the body. They can just put some like locking, like nylon threaded nuts and some washers on. Just zip those down. And then here's the underneath. Really? They've got washers on them. Oh, you're getting in trouble. Mom's yelling at you. Why is she leaning up against me? She's like, oh, well, I'm here to help Dad. You helping Dad do truck stuff? So yeah, I like them. I'll show you the other side. Don't run away. All right, that's the passenger side. So like I said before, when I got an F-150, I knew this was on the top of my list. I just have always loved the way the Raptor and trimmer steps look. Found these on eBay. They were like $437 shipped, which seems kind of expensive compared to aftermarket options. Oh, okay. They love looking at the back. You like Dad's new steps. They like looking at the back of your head. Kind of expensive compared to your aftermarket steps, but these should last forever and look good. You can't beat OEM quality. So if there's anything else you guys want to see, drop a comment down below. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. Not sure what I want to do next. I'm going to do Classio leather or cat skin leather at some point inside. Maybe some speaker upgrades, just some stuff like that. But from the outside, man, I'm really getting this how I would have wanted it. So hope you guys like this. Please like, comment, subscribe. At least do it for Callie. See a shadow? Hey, what are you doing? And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Like I said, I filmed this stuff in one take, so you get Australian shepherds sneezing, shaking around. Say hi, Callie. Callie. Nice day out today. We're gonna enjoy it. Have a good one, guys. We'll catch you later.